guess I'll just show you how it works. What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you how I made a tactical whip. If you don't know what that is, this is what they look like. Super simple. There's basically just two parts. You need like a flexible piece of material on the end and then a handle. So I'll be showing you how I made that. So as you can see, the inspiration for this came from this lighter because it's already whip-like. We just need to take the lighter apart to get this piece, and then I taped it to a handle to get an idea of how big I wanted to make it. Now that we're done designing it, we just need to snatch it. If it's good, we just glue it and then it will be complete. Then I just used some epoxy to glue it in place. Also, you'll see in the videos I've transferred to epoxy instead of hot glue just because it's so much more stronger. Alrighty, so here is the completed version. Like I said, super simple. So yep, end of a lighter, and then just 3D printed a handle. Kind of has a point, you know, it's like whip, whip, dab, dab. It's kind of the idea. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you how it works. Okay. Yes, works very nice. It stings a lot. I don't know if you can see, but like there's a red mark. So kind of the cool thing with this is like that whole piece slaps you, and so that whole like chunk of skin like stings really bad. So yeah, it's getting more red. Also, if you know anyone else who is interested in just kind of cool builds and things that I've made, please send them my link. It's kind of hard to find people who are interested in that. But I know people are out there. I just need to find them. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one.